Once again, a very beautiful good morning to all of you. This is Harsh, and we are ready with our DNA daily newspaper analysis. So let's start with our news. So the first news we have is India record most cases worldwide. So as we all know, India is the most affected state during the second wave of COVID-19, and here are some state toppers who have topped in their vaccination part. Uttarakhand, followed by West Bengal, Kerala, Gujarat are the few states who have topped in their vaccination part. Okay, so apart from this, you should know that India is out of every three cases, India is receiving a COVID-19 case. Okay, so this is what our India is doing right now. So that's all from this news. Moving to the next slide, we have Delta variant. As we all know, Indian variant B.1.617 is worldwide known as Indian variant. So here the nomenclature of this was given by the different countries, and now this variant is also called as Delta variant. Okay, so from this news, this is important that the other name of Delta variant is B.1.617, and it is also known as Indian variant. That's all from the next news we have is Punjab government not to supply vaccine to private hospitals. So here the Punjab government has confined their services to government hospitals only. So as we all know, the private hospitals are charging a lot on the name of vaccine. So just to cure that, the Punjab government had decided to allocate all the stock to government hospitals only. Okay, so that's the news from this part. Moving to the next slide, Kerala budget step up health spending. So as we all know, the our health community or the health welfare of a country has been exposed right now during this pandemic. So just to maintain that, the Kerala government has decided to have a healthy budget on the name of health. Okay, so the 20,000 crore rupees to combat COVID-19, says Bal Gopal, the health ministry of the finance minister of Kerala, KN Bal Gopal. ठीक है, so he have decided to maintain a good amount of budget for health. Okay, so moving to the next slide, CBSE, those students who have appeared in 2020 and 21 session have gone through a lot. I know 1.5 month spending time with in a class only is definitely a tough process, but okay, now they get rid of all this, and the CBSE panel has decided to obtain a objective criteria to evaluate marks, on what basis the children will be allocated their marks, as on further some universities will be there who will be going to merit to have admission. So that's why objective criteria will be discussed by the panel. Okay, so moving to the next news, Mamta picture on vaccine certificate. As we all know, if you have gone to vaccination center, and you will receive a certificate where PM Modi picture was depicted there. Okay, so something was written over there, and the picture of PM Modi was depicted there. No matter of what state you are, of what state you belong to, the picture will be of Modi only. So but now the things have changed. The states have raised their demand to have their CM, their means their representatives picture on the certificates. Okay, so as we all know, Chhattisgarh have done this act that they have pasted their own representative there, but now Mamta is also demanding for his picture on that certificate. So that's the news from this slide. Moving to the next news, High Court imposed fine on Juhi Chawla in 5G case. As we all know, Juhi Chawla, a renowned personality, a Bollywood actress, she gone to High Court. She gone to High Court just to and filed a PIL against 5G installation in the country. So when she was asked for the questions by the court, she was unable to answer those questions, and she was fined with 20 lakh rupees. Yes, 20 lakh rupees just to waste court time, and that's all. And that's the thing that happened there. So the justice there was J.R. Midha. So the only thing you should know is what 5G is. 5G is basically a new technology, new variant, means technology where technology will be in ease. After this, after the installation of 5G in the country, there will be many things that got that will be in ease, and you can get access to many further things that you are not getting right now. Okay, so these are the few things. Now moving to the next slide, INS Sandhyayak, so decommissioned. So the ship was decommissioned last night and has served 40 years for the territory. And in the previous month, INS Rajput was also decommissioned. If you remember, we have covered in the daily newspaper analysis as well. So INS Rajput was decommissioned last month and was decommissioned from Vishakhapatnam port, and the same port was there in INS Sandhyakas as well. Okay, so that's the only news. You should know the name and the port from where this ship was decommissioned. Okay, now the next slide we have is no plan to print more money. As we all know that the Venezuela and Zimbabwe, I have covered in the previous lectures also, that Venezuela and Zimbabwe tried to remove their poverty by printing more and more money, but they left with nothing, as the things got changed completely. The bread there cost them almost 11 lakh rupees for a bread. So this is nothing. This is just a waste of time and waste of resources as well. As if you print money, you have to print, you should have more and more papers. More paper means more cut down of trees, deforestation. So these are interlinked. Okay, so here also RBI have cleared their views that there is no such intention of printing more money. Okay, so that's the only news from here. You should, from RBI, you should also know the governor of RBI. The governor of RBI is Shakti Kanta Das. Shakti Kanta, spelling might be wrong, Kanta Das. Okay, and RBI, you should know what is repo rate and reverse repo rate. Repo rate is basically the rate on which RBI provide loans to other local banks. Okay, and reverse repo rate is basically the repo rate on which the bank gives loan to RBI. Okay, so to store money, just remember always that reverse repo rate will always be less than repo rate. Okay, right now the reverse repo rate is around 4%, and the fluctuations, the reverse repo rate may go 2% down to 2% up, means the total width of these reverse repo rate is from 2% to 6%. Okay, so this is what reverse repo rate and repo rate is. Now moving, so that's all for today's session. Hope you all have enjoyed it, and look that we are planning much more for you, just looking for your support. So keep liking, sharing the channel, and you will get to know more. Okay, by the time, stay safe, stay tuned. Bye bye.